What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you all know, recently Google rolled out first beta of Android 12L and I have managed to flash it on my Oneplus 7 Pro. So in this video, let's take a quick look on the same. Before starting the video, thank you so much guys for completing the like target of 400 likes on a previous video. Let's keep the same like target, and it's a humble request, do consider subscribing our channel because we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So basically this is not a custom ROM, it's a GSI image which I have flashed it on my Oneplus 7 Pro. Let me show you the software information first. Here you can see it says Android 12 security patch updated December 5th 2021 and build number says ported by Nippon. If you guys wish to install, just make sure to follow the guide given in the description below. And as said, it's a GSI, not a custom ROM, so you will miss out some of the features from your device. If you're using your device as a primary device, then I won't recommend you guys to flash it on your primary device, but still if you want to give it a try, you can go ahead with this. Currently with Android 12L, you guys will not notice much of changes. Basically Android 12L is designed for devices having larger screens, for example tablets, which can improve multitasking on those devices. Though still you guys gonna see some changes in the UI and animations. For example, here you can see in the quick setting panel, if I swipe up the notification panel, the tile size increases and this squeeze, which wasn't the case on Android 12. And also on the quick setting panel, whenever you tap any options like let's tap it on internet, we get this pop-up menu instead of going inside the main settings. And that's not only the case with single tile, it happens with few more tiles. For example, here you can see this recording pop-up menu. And also in the recents panel now you can see a pill around the clear all button. Another change what you guys gonna notice, whenever you long press on the home screen, on the previous builds of Android 12, we just used to get these options of wallpaper styles, widgets and home settings. But now on Android 12, we directly get the option to select the wallpapers. From here itself, you can directly apply the wallpapers on your device. Though it's buggy right now, sometimes launcher crashes while changing the wallpapers, as you can see here. But still we don't have any kind of issues while applying the wallpapers. And if you guys install GSI on your device, you might lose functionalities like alert slider, Bluetooth, face unlock and fingerprint unlock feature. To lock your device, you only have limited options like pin, pattern or password. All the sensors do work fine like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. VoLTE services works fine. As you can see, I did not face any kind of issues making calls, and also I am using two SIM cards, one is Jio and the second one is Airtel. While using two SIM cards, you won't get the option to switch between different SIM cards, even if I have set call preference as ask every time. Here we have VoLTE services and Wi-Fi calling feature, and both these service works fine. And now talking about camera, so there are no issues to be seen with the camera application. I tried two applications, one is Open Camera and the second one is Google Camera 8.4. Both the camera apps doesn't have any kind of issues clicking pictures, but the only issue is when I switch to front camera. Due to pop-up camera mechanism, front camera doesn't pop up on my Oneplus 7 Pro. But there should not be any kind of issues if your device doesn't have pop-up camera mechanism. Battery backup seems to be decent enough, and also fast charging will work if you flash GSIs from Pixel 4a or from any higher version of Pixel devices. Avoid flashing Pixel 3 GSI image. I guess that device doesn't have fast charging support, so you might lose that functionality. Did not even face any kind of issues using hotspot. Your device might not pass safety net check, but if you are the one who knows how to route the GSI images, you can easily bypass this thing. And remember one thing guys, if your device doesn't pass safety net check, you won't be able to use the payment applications on your device. Sometimes device do lag a bit and screen becomes unresponsive, but there's an easy fix for it. Just restart your device and you'll be good to go. No issues with the adaptive brightness and dark theme. Lift to check and double tap to wake the device doesn't work. Though always on display do work, but it drains a lot of battery. You'll get to see all other stuff from Android 12 if you flash any GSI. But as said, I won't recommend you guys to flash it on the primary device, but still if you guys want to give it a try, just follow the installation guide given in the description below. I have been using this GSI on my Oneplus 7 Pro from past few days. As said earlier, had to compromise on few things like front camera, fingerprint unlock, alert slider and Bluetooth. Other than these bugs, I did not encounter anything much, but it completely depends on you. If you guys want to try out Android 12L, then just go ahead for it. So guys, this was the quick look on the latest Android 12L from Google. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.